Hello my dear scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are going through all the videos properly and making a key points in your notebook. Scholars, in this video we are going to learn all the definitions of chapter number 4, that is factors. Few we have learned already and few more we will learn today in this video. Okay, so first of all we will see definition of prime numbers. This we have already learned, still we will revise once. Okay, so what is prime number? A number having two factors. Okay, a number that has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is called prime numbers. Okay, we will see few examples. Okay, 2, for example 2, it has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 2. Similarly, 3 also has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, that is 3. Okay, 11 has also two factors, that is 1 and the number 11. Similarly, 13 has also two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 13. Okay, so these number, that is 2, 3, 11, 13, few more prime numbers are 17, 19. Okay, they has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are known as prime numbers. Okay, the number 1 has only one divisor. Okay, the number 1 has only one divisor, which is itself. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, what are composite number we will see in our next slide. Just you have to remember that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. It is a unique number because it has only one divisor, that is 1 itself. Okay, scholars. So scholars, now we will see about composite numbers. Okay, so what are composite number? A number having more than two factors. Okay, a number having more than two factors other than 1 and the number itself is a composite number. If any number that has more than two factors except 1 and the number itself, then that number is known as composite number. We will see few examples. For example, we have first as 4. Okay, so what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Okay, there are three factors of 4. Therefore, it is a composite number. What are factors? If we will divide any of this number by 4, we will get remainder as 0. Okay, now we will see factors for 6. So, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. That is number itself. Since it has more than two factors, therefore it is a composite number. Similarly, for 18, what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, it has more than two factors. Therefore, 18 is a composite number. Okay, now we'll see factors of 20. So, what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. Okay, it has more than two factors. So, also 20 is a composite number. Okay, now we'll see one key point. The number 2 is only a smallest and even prime number. Okay, rest all prime numbers are odd. Only 2 is the smallest and even prime number. Okay, scholars, you have to remember this statement very properly. Okay. So scholars, now we will learn new definition of this chapter, that is coprime numbers. First of all, we will see definition of this coprime numbers and then we will see one example related to it. Okay. So we have definition over here. When two numbers have no common factors. Okay. When two numbers, they do not have any common factor other than 1. Okay. Then such numbers are called coprime numbers. So in short, what are coprime numbers? When two numbers, they do not have any common factor except 1, then such numbers are known as coprime number. We have another name for coprime number, that is relatively prime numbers. Okay, the other name for coprime number is relatively prime numbers. Okay, now we will see one example, that is 14 and 15. 14 and 15 are coprime number. Why? We will see that. Okay, first of all, in the first step, we will take out all the factors of 14. So what are the factors of 14? 1, 2, 7 and 14. That is number itself. Now, in the second step, we will take out all the factors of 15. Okay, so we have factors of 15 as 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. Now from this we can see that there is no common factor, okay, other than 1. Okay. Only the common factor is 1. Therefore 14 and 15 is a co-prime number, because for in the factors of 14 and 15 we do not have any common factor except 1. Okay. So here 14 and 15 has only 1 as a common factor. So 14 and 15 are co-prime number. One more example I will give you. For example, 30 and 31. Okay. When we will take out factors of 30 and 31, we will find that we do not have any common factor except 1. Okay. Therefore, 30 and 31 is also an example of co-prime numbers. Okay, scholars. So scholar, here comes a new concept, that is prime factorization. Okay, this is very important and it is very useful concept in higher classes also. So we will learn how to find prime factors by two method, that is by factor tree method and by short division method. Okay, but before that we will learn about what is prime factorization. So here we have definition of prime factorization, that is all composite numbers. Okay, all, we can take any composite number and we can split that composite number into their prime numbers. Okay, so all composite number can be split into their prime number, and the method of writing a number as multiples of prime number is called prime factorization. When we write in the form of multiples of prime number, that is known as prime factorization. Okay, now we will see about factor tree. Okay, this is one of the method for finding factors. Okay, so here a factor tree is a diagram used to determine a prime factors. Okay, it is a method which is used to find the prime factors of a natural number, of any natural number greater than 1. Okay, the number should be greater than 1 in the form of tree pattern. When we solve this sum, so we get a pattern which is in the form of tree. Because it is in the form of tree, therefore the name has been given as factor tree. Okay, scholars. Now we will see one example, that is prime factors of 36. We have to find all the prime factors of 36 by factor tree method. Okay. See scholars, I have found all the prime factors of 36 by factor tree method. How to do it? I will tell you that. We have number as 36. We know that 36 is a composite number and also it is a even number. So what we can do? We can easily divide 36 by 2. Okay. So when we will divide 36 by 2, we will get remainder as 0 and quotient as 18. Okay. So how we have split 36? We have split 36 as 2 multiplied by 18. Okay. Now we will take 18. Again, we know that 18 is a even number. We can easily divide by 2, which is a prime number. So when we will divide 18 by 2, we will get remainder as 0 and quotient as 9. Okay. So we have split 18 as 2 multiplied by 9. Okay. Now scholars, we know that 9 is a odd number. We cannot divide 9 by 2. So what we will do here? We will take next prime number, which is 3. Okay. And we know that we can easily divide 9 by 3. So when we will divide 9 by 3, we will get quotient as 3 and remainder as 0. Now scholars, here we have got smallest prime numbers. Okay, we cannot divide further. So here we have done with our prime factorization method of 36. So what are the prime factors of 36 by factor tree method? Here we have all the prime factors of 36, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiply by 3. Okay, so the prime factors of 36 by factor tree method is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Okay, so scholars, here we have next method, that is short division method. In this you have to find all the prime factors by short division method. Okay, so here we have definition for short division method. It is the another method for finding factors of a number. Okay, it is the another method for finding factors of a number. In this method you will divide a number evenly by smallest prime number you can. Okay, you have to divide the number by the smallest prime number you can, and you have to keep on dividing till the time you get 1 at the end. And yes scholars, you have to divide with only prime numbers. Okay, you will not use composite numbers. Okay, now we will see one example. We have to find prime factors of 80 by short division method. Okay, now we will see how to find that. See, here I have found all the prime factors of 80 by short division method, and now I will show you how to do this. Now we have number as 80. Okay, we know that 80 is a composite number. Also it is a even number. Okay, so we can easily divide 80 by 2, which is the smallest prime number. Okay, so when we will divide 80 by 2, we will get quotient as 40 and remainder as 0. So we will write 40 below 80. So here I have written 40 below 80. Now we will take 40. Again we know that 40 is a even number and we can easily divide 40 by 2. So when we will divide 40 by 2, we will get 20 as quotient and 0 as remainder. So what I will do, I will write 20 below 40. Okay, now we will take 20. Now we know that 20 is also a even number. We can easily divide 20 by 2. So when we will divide 20 by 2, we will get 10 as quotient, which I will write below 20. Okay, now we will consider 10. Again we know that 10 is an even number. We can easily divide by 2. So when we will divide 10 by 2, we will get quotient as 5, which I will write below 10. Okay, now scholars, here we know that 5 is not a even number. It is an odd number. So we cannot divide 5 by 2. So what I will do, I will take a next prime number. So next prime number after 2 is 3. We know that we cannot divide 5 by 3. Okay, so what we will do, we will take next prime number, which is 5. Okay, so we can easily divide 5 by 5. So when I will divide 5 by 5, I will get quotient as 1, which I will write below 5. Okay, so we have to keep on dividing till the time we get 1 at the end. Okay, so what are the prime factors of 80 by short division method? So here we have the prime factors of 80 by short division method. See, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 5. So how do we write this? 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 5. This is the prime factors of 80 by short division method. Okay, scholars? So scholars, here we have done all the definition of this chapter. In our next video, we will be solving exercise 4.3. I hope you all have done till 4.2. In our next video, we will start with 4.3. Okay, scholars, take care of yourself. Bye, scholars.